Good morning, September the 15th, Ag Market Network, Friday morning here. As we look at the markets overnight, all of the agricultural markets are lower this morning. And looking around at other markets, we have energy markets up, dollar down, precious metals are right now down. As a matter of fact, it looks like everything is down today with the exception of energy. Crude oil is up, and unleaded gas and natural gas are up. Looking at some, let's look at the global stock markets, somewhat mixed. Asia closed mostly up in indexes. Europe is mostly down, and there's some news there. In the UK, the pound surged, I think, for the highest level in quite some time. And we're looking at the UK stock markets down quite a bit, actually. There's talk of a rate hike in Great Britain, and that seems to have set this thing in motion today with their stock market and currency. Also, it seems to be a very frequent thing. North Korea has fired a missile over Japan, and so we're seeing some reaction to that, although it's surprising. We look at gold and silver, and they're down. I think the market may be there as a safe haven for unrest is starting to ignore some of that. All right, let's look and see what else we've got here. Looking at the actual trade right now, we've got cotton down 30 in December at 68.83. It got down a little lower overnight, got to 68.66. The high is 69.30. November soybeans down 4 1/4 at 9.71 3/4. A high of 9.77 1/2, a low of 9.71. December corn down 1 1/2, 3.52 3/4, close to its low. Its low, 1/4 cent lower, 3.52 1/2. The high, 3.54. December wheat down 1.5 pennies at 4.41 1/2. The high, 4.43 1/2, and the low, 4.40 3/4. Looking at crude oil, up 19 cents a barrel at 50.08. So we've stuck our head back above 50 again, which has provided pretty good resistance for that market. The dollar is down 36, gold down $1, silver down about 3 cents, and right now the S&P futures are down 2. Looking at the calendar for today, we do have quite a few things coming out. Economic releases, business inventories, and retail sales at 7:30. Then you've got capacity utilization and industrial production at 8:15. So that's it. Just a reminder, we look at a lot of different things in these markets. And at times people might think, well, why are we looking at foreign stock markets? Why are we looking at various currencies and the news and the economic releases when most of the time we're talking about commodity markets and specifically agriculture? Everything's related. What's going on around the world is going to affect what goes on in these markets that we follow. So it's very important that we keep an eye on all these market-moving factors, these global factors that affect the market. So that's it. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.